Jotelo mawuok e riwruog siasa mar Azimio dwaro kanisa mondo bed mbele e kedo ne jopiny e seche ma piny owacho hinyo jopiny. Kane giloso e ika mar mane en jatend migao Maina Wanjigi e kaunti ma Nyeri, jotelo go kotelnegi kod ogai margi Raila Odinga okwa kanisa mondo oduog kare kende e kedo ne jopiny. Magitimore e seche ma ng'anyo osebedo ka dhi nyime kendo jopiny mang'eny osebedo ka penjo nafas mar kanisa e ng'anyo ni ma osebedo kitayo kod rowere.
On her wedding day, death. But I promise people that Maina Wanjigi.
He was a founding father of various settlements. One of the most famous he's known for is the Nyandarua settlement. When he joined ICDC, he would also play a major role in the Africanization of business.
It is wrong for us to keep quiet when men and women are doing what is not right. And therefore I have stood and said, I will not stand aside as you do what is wrong, regardless of whether I'm wearing yellow or not. And therefore, we have continued to say that we voted for a government to give services to the people of Kenya.
Today, the religious leaders are summoned like servants to go to State House. And they go there with prepared speeches to make. The church must speak the word of God and stand firm with the children of God. The church should not be subservient to the temporal power. The church should sympathize and stand on the side of the people of this country and speak truth to power.